Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing this 15-minute pasta recipe. It is a smoked sausage Cajun Alfredo pasta. It was a real big hit at my house. Everyone ate a little bit of some and only one thought it was a little too spicy, but it's not that spicy to be honest. But yeah. The things that I used is I used 6 or 8 ounce, I can't remember what these noodles are called, but it's a pasta. You can use different types of pastas. This is just the one I had on hand. By the way, all the ingredients and instructions will be in my description box below. But yeah, I'm just boiling these pastas, and as I do that I can work on the sausage mixture. Here I am. I heated the pan a little bit and I'm putting in 16 ounces of smoked sausage, cutting into a 1/4 inch slices, and I'm just going to let these brown up really nice. Almost to burning point, but that's just a little bit of flavor. There you see all the color to it, and this is the kind of look I was going for. Still continue. I basically want both sides to look like this, maybe a tad bit not as done, but yeah, this is absolutely perfect. Now I am turning down my oven into a 3, and I am putting in 2 cups of heavy cream. Now I am using my own Cajun seasoning mix. I did this in a previous video. I will link that in a card in this video and also in the link down below, and maybe add an end card at the end of this video. But yeah, I am putting in about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, and I'm stirring it up. And now I'm going to put in on my timer for 4 minutes. And I also have this garlic bread that I already have froze up. I will link that also in the description box below because it is a great go-to for garlic bread. Yeah, I'll let this go on for like 4 minutes, and now I am taking it off the heat, and I am putting a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan. Do not use packaged Parmesan. That is the key for this. I'm just keep stirring it until all the cheese is combined with the Alfredo sauce. And that is pretty much it. I'm just adding the pasta in there, and I'm going to stir it around until well combined. You really can't go wrong with this recipe because it's only like, what, 5 different ingredients, and it doesn't cost much. It takes about 15 minutes all in all. I really don't use smoked sausage enough, and I just made that Cajun seasoning before, so I wanted to use a smoked sausage using my Cajun seasoning, and I love my pasta. But yeah, this is pretty much it. It does get thickened the more you let it out, so it's not as runny later. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you've made any other sausage recipes, let me know in the comments below. This is it all turned out the way it was going to be. It was great. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!